Hey guys, welcome back. Finally, we have the first hands-on look of iPhone 12 Pro. The smartphone is looking very stunning with its flat curves, and there are so many new things which are coming in iPhone 12 models. And in this video, I'm going to give you the first hands-on look of iPhone 12 Pro. The smartphone is looking very beautiful with its slightly curved display, which is a 6.1 inch with 120Hz of display refresh rate. And this is a Super Retina XDR OLED display with 458 pixels per inch and haptic touch. Finally, we are getting the feature we were waiting from last 2 years, and finally it came with iPhone 12 series in iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max. Now looking at the back, the smartphone is packed with a big camera module which is very similar to iPhone 11 Pro models, but there is also a LiDAR sensor placement, and the camera module is 10% larger than the previous generation. And with that, we are very sure that Apple will keep its camera game at the top for 2021 too. Now talking about bezels and notch, there were so many rumors that claim that notch will be same and the bezels will be same, but there were some rumors that claim that the notch and bezels will be slightly smaller. But according to this new hands-on leak, the notch and the bezels look very smaller, which is a really good thing. And in iPhone 12 series, Face ID is going to get an upgrade, and it will work from wider angles, even flat on a table. Now talking about the hardware of iPhone 12 series, iPhone 12 series is going to get Apple's latest A14 chipset, and this is going to be a really power efficient and fast chipset than the Apple's A13 chipset. Rumors claim that there will be a 60% of performance improvement, and it is very hard to digest because Apple's A13 chipset is still a very fast chipset. Now talking about the battery capacities of iPhone 12 series, iPhone 12 series will get smaller batteries than the iPhone 11 series, but the iPhone 12 series is going to give you 30% more on-screen time because of Apple's A14 power efficient chipset. Now talking about the color options, you will get 4 color options in iPhone 12 Pro series: space gray, silver, gold and navy blue. So guys, that's it for now. We are not sure when the smartphone is going to launch and what will the smartphone is going to cost. But according to rumors, the smartphone is going to launch in ending November, and the iPhone 12 Pro models will cost around $700 to $800. So guys, that's it for now. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Tell me your thoughts about iPhone 12 series in the comment section, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace out.